Hello students, this is an instructional video on how to select your courses for the upcoming school year. All course registration will be completed online using your Infinite Campus student portal. So to start the process, you will want to log in to your Infinite Campus student portal. The link is located on your high school webpage under Student and then Infinite Campus. So I'm going to click on the Campus Student option, and you will want to log in using the SSO, or the single sign-on. Your username for the SSO is your Fayette County email, and your password is the same password you would use to log in to any Fayette County device or to your Google Classroom. So once you log in using the SSO, you will be directed to your student homepage. From this page, you will choose the option of More, and then you will click on Course Registration. The only option under Course Registration Enrollments is your enrollment for the upcoming school year. Your districted high school will be listed here. If you feel like there is an error in your address, you will need to contact your high school registrar to make any corrections with that address. We do need you to go ahead and complete your enrollment for your districted high school, and any schedule changes or high school changes that are needed will be dealt with at a later date. So you're going to go ahead and click on the upcoming school year. And you may notice that some courses are already listed on your requests. Your current teachers have made recommendations for the core classes that you should take during the upcoming school year. For example, this student has recommendations for their English, math, social studies, and science class. All of these courses are listed as required, meaning that you cannot change these courses without speaking to your counselor. If you feel like there is an error in one of these courses, please email your counselor for more information. You should have received a list of possible courses for your grade level earlier in this semester. If you did not receive that list, the course list for each grade level is posted on your high school webpage. The courses on that list are the only ones that you are able to register for. For example, freshmen can only register for freshman courses. Rising sophomores can only register for sophomore courses, and so on. So once you receive your course list, you will want to click on Add a Course and choose the first elective that you would like to add. So let's say that I want to add the elective Art 1. So I'll start typing in the name of the course in the search field, and all of the courses in that category will appear below. It is important that you add both the first and second semester of each course. So to add a course, I'm going to click on the blue plus sign, and then I'm going to choose the option to add a request. I'm going to repeat that process for S2 of the same course. Notice that once I click on that course, I see REQ beside that. That means that I have requested that that course be added to my schedule. Each time you add a course, you will notice that the progress bar at the top of your screen increases. You do not need to pay attention to the percentage or the units. You must follow the directions given to you by your districted high school. Every high school has different requirements for the number of courses and the types of courses that are required. So please be sure that you reference those directions as you are selecting your courses. To add additional courses, simply click the black button at the top of the screen, And you can see the courses that are listed as required. Remember, those are teacher recommendations. You can see requests. Those are the courses that you have added to your schedule. We also ask that you add alternate courses to your schedule. So in the event that you do not make it into one of the classes that you have requested, we have backup options for your courses. So to add an alternate, click on Add Course and follow the same procedure as before. Begin typing the name of the course in the box. So let's say that you do not make it into the Art 1 class and you have selected Crafts as an alternate. To designate a course as an alternate, when you click the blue plus sign, instead of choosing Request, you will choose Alternate. Repeat that process for S2 of the same course. And notice that you now see ALT beside the name of that course. If you go back to your list, you will see that that course is now listed in its own category of alternates. So as you go through this process, again, please be sure that you're following the directions from your districted high school, making sure that you're selecting the appropriate number of courses and alternates for your schedule. If you have any questions about this process, please reach out to your high school counselor for more information. Please also follow the requested timeline. You'll only have a certain amount of time to enter these courses for your schedule. And again, that will be different for each high school. So read those directions very carefully. I hope you have a great school year, and I look forward to working with you again next year.